Hello all, welcome to KLantics. On every video, we'll be discussing about a different lantic item. On today's video, we have a unique style lamp from Tamil Nadu. Let me show. This lamp is a two parrot lamp, as we call it, has two parrots on the sides. You can see a namam on the middle and have a sun and moon on the sides, which resembles goddess Bhudevi and Sridevi of Lakshmi. As a lotus on the boys and which resembles goddess Mahalakshmi. Here you can pour the oil. This is a solid piece, fully bronze, has some details on the sides of the lamp. It's around 100-year-old. You can see Tulasi Mala designs on the surface, has the Surya arches on the sides, has a faceted shape kalasam on the top. All handmade. It's in very good condition, perfect for antique collectors and decors. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in another beautiful video of KLantics. Bye.